Hey everybody, this is Payson with Steel Dog, and today we're going to be taking a look at angle corner clips. These are outside clips for making up angles in your formwork, commonly used for like a bay window. So what we've got set up here is an example of that. This is sort of what you'd see for a traditional bay window. We've got an 8-inch wall with a 45-degree angle for the bay window. So to do this, we've got these outside corner clips, as you can see, are at that preset angle. They're pretty easy to install. They function similar to our 90-degree corner clips, although you can see that this obviously has a different angle. You just throw this over the button, slide it down, and then your latch is going to grab onto the button that's on the clip. And yeah, that'll preset roughly at the angle. You do have a little bit of movement if you need to adjust there. Now to get the ties to line up in a situation like this, you're going to have to use a filler that matches or works with your wall thickness. So if you've got an 8-inch wall, the fillers you use on the outside are going to be different than if you got a 10-inch wall. So for an 8-inch wall, you're going to use 7-inch fillers, and that will loosely line up with the tie spacing to match up the inside and the outside face. Coming over to this side, you can see we're using hinge corners. You of course can use either hinge corners or fixed corners, fixed 45-degree corners. In this case, the hinges allow you to make multiple angles, but it's pretty straightforward. So these angle corner clips work really well for any untied corner joints, but if you end up doing a radius wall or a curved wall, then you're not going to want to use these. You're going to want to use our curved wall clips. Those clips work a little bit differently. They're actually hinged clips, and they require 2 ties per joint. So it's a completely different part, but really, really handy for doing radius or curved walls. So those are angle corner clips by Steel Dog. In addition to the 45-degree angle, we actually make these in a 30-degree angle and a 22.5-degree angle clip. That allows you to do a multitude of different angles, especially because you can actually piggyback these clips onto each other, and that allows you to make up any angle in between the ones I've just listed. So yeah, these are really, really easy to use clips. Encourage you to use them on bay windows or any scenario where you need to make an angle corner. For more information, check out our website at steel-dog.com.